although I did move a little more briskly when I realized there was a police car right behind our rig and I had no pants on.
There is nothing wrong with your video stream. We are controlling your feed. Sit quietly and experience the awe and mystery from the outer limits of the open road.
We have to let them know we've arrived. So Bill's signing in with his secret code. But first, let's revisit how we got here.
Flying saucers. As a matter of fact, the 509th Atomic Bomb Group headquarters at Roswell, New Mexico, reports that it has received one of the discs, which landed on a ranch outside Roswell.
Secure main egress.
Ready for pre-launch check?
Ready.
Deploy aft observation system. Com check.
Roger, Capcom. Reading you 5 by 5.
Test solar deflectors.
Systems operational. They're gonna know.
How would they know? Ignition sequence start. Go for main engine startup.
They're gonna know.
How would they know? System check.
All systems nominal.
Maximum warp.
Are you sure?
Punch it!
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
At a ranch at Corona, New Mexico, and the rancher turned it over to the airport.
Other people are touring the town and going to that endless or bottomless lake park and what have you, but we're just in our car acting.
Mm-hmm.
We're just acting
We're making films.
for your enjoyment.
Mm-hmm.
And now to our top secret Harvest Host location, the Anderson Museum of Contemporary Art. Wait, did I say that out loud? Well, might as well fill you in. We spent the night in their parking lot after touring this incredible art-filled enclave. All that art filled up our souls in preparation for seeing some things that cannot be unseen.
May soon be solved. Army Air Force officers reported that one of the strange discs had been found.
This is the Roswell Dunkin' Donuts. Want to get some alien coffee?
Yeah. Fresh brewed from Neptune.
Neptune. This is the Roswell McDonald's, the only UFO-shaped McDonald's.
Do not touch the props. Stay on the footprints. On the footprints. This way, humanoids. Beware. Attack! Attack!
So we woke up at this Harvest Toast here, which we're in the city of Roswell, and there's a police car blocking the road exactly behind our vehicle. We're not sure what's going on. There's another Harvest Toast parked next to us. And yeah, they're turning away drivers from literally exactly behind our rig here. I think I figured it out. There are police down there, police down there, police down there. I think it's just a race because I think I see people with numbers on their shirts moving briskly. Unlike me, I'm not moving briskly, although I did move a little more briskly when I realized there was a police car right behind our rig and I had no pants on. So I think I can relax now and we're gonna go have some breakfast. The thing about this Harvest Toast is they did mention on the website that there is a homeless encampment in the woods behind the museum, so that we wouldn't want to park too far into the back, but other than being awakened by a police car, everything went smooth as glass. Smooth as glass.
But there's no tiger.
So there's no reason for people to be running?
No, there's no tiger. There's no reason for people to run.
I 100% agree with you on that. We don't always 100% agree, but we agree on that. No need to run. Turns out it's 45 degrees and not the 56 degrees that I was promised by the indoor temperature.
But it's not 45 degrees. It's
What?
40 degrees.
Good God. I'm
40.
underdressed. I put on shorts today because I think it's going to be nice. But
I'm already layered in 2 layers of clothes.
yeah, I was completely misled and now I'm freezing. But that's okay. I'm going to get some coffee in me and then I'll be fine.
Got a half a tank of gas, and I'm wearing sunglasses.
Yes, he is. But there's no smoke. I might ask you many things, but that's not one of them. We've got some UFOs, or do we?
Late 70s Chevy hubcap, early 60s Ford hubcap, late 50s Ford hubcap.
And I thought they were UFOs.
They could be. Maybe we've been driving UFOs.
Still taking away the magic. Taking candy from children since 1958. The test facility has been destroyed, as you can tell. There's a tarp on the roof. I think we're all safe now. There'll be no more testing here. So if this is the first you've heard of the testing facility, that basically means it's a secret, right?
I can't tell you that, ma'am.
You can't tell me if it's a secret?
No. No, this is a national security secret.
Wait, you just told me it's a secret then.
I didn't tell you anything about the cargo containers.
Wait, the cargo containers? No testing happening here today.
It's a secret!
Team Lucid has returned to the mothership. The little space creatures are attempting to speak to us, but I don't understand their language. What are you trying to say to me, buddy? They're smaller than I would have expected.
GoPro, stop capture.
All right. I think we're learning a good lesson here, which is aliens are afraid of pie, apparently.
Mostly cherry pie.
Do not try to feed the aliens pie. That guy does not give two you know what about the pie situation.
Gun's not loaded.
Gun's not loaded.
Ragdoll's loaded.
No. This guy, not looking so good. Half alien.
My legs! My legs!